If 8 men can reap 80 hectares in 24 days, how many hectares can 36 men reap in 30 days? Now, for such questions, we can use the formula W1 upon W2 is equal to P1 D1 upon P2 D2. Now, W1 is the work 1, so we can say that 80 hectares is W1. 8 men, we can say this is P1, 24 days, that is D1. Now we want to find out W2. 36 men are working, so that becomes P2, and 30 days they are working, so that becomes D2. So let's substitute all these values in this formula. So W1, that is 80 upon W2 is equal to P1, that is 8 into D1, that is 24 upon P2, that is 36, and D2, that is 30. Now let's solve this. So 8 into 10. Now 12 twos are 12 threes are 2 into 15, 30. So therefore solving, we get W2 is equal to 15 threes are 45, 45 into 10, 450. So this will be 450 hectares. So that will be our answer. 450 hectares can be reaped by 36 men in 30 days.